First, open the SAMP control panel. Click the Start button for Apache and MySQL. Click the Admin button next to MySQL. Click the Database. This sets up a new database to store your tables and data. Click the Guestbook on the left side and go to SQL. You may use the SQL command to create a table and enter the following code. Tables store data within the database. This step sets up the structure of the table. There are various options for inserting data into a table. You may utilize the Insert feature, or you can use the SQL command to insert data. Here, enter the following code. This step allows you to populate your table with records. There are various ways for retrieving data from a table. You may utilize the Browse option, or you may use the SQL command to get data. Enter the following code, and this lets you see the data stored in your table. Importing SQL file. Create a new file called friendbook.sql. Paste the following text into the file. Select the Import tab and choose the SQL file to import. This allows you to quickly add pre-written tables and data to your database. Select the Export tab and simply click the Go button. This creates a backup of your database or table that can be imported later.